Rivers State is on fire. No be small thing. They say the current the sitting governor of Rivers State now. They say that the Nyesom Wike will be the former governor where they do minister for inside Abuja now. They say the man one day there, the governor Rivers State as he don't build them like say na in papa house. No be small thing. They say that if we see the way they tear gas and they shoot the current sitting governor this morning, they say the thing shock everybody. So we will go play you the video and may you watch. And before we come back and continue. Yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabaji. So if today na the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And if you know say you never give this channel a follow, what you they wait for? May you quickly do so. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person we're going to get our update. The story we will carry on today, now waiting they go on for Rivers State. As we they talk, they even say they don't set the House of Assembly house for there on fire. And they say who they sponsor this is where they happen. Now be the former governor will be Nyesom Wike. And we are going to play you the video of waiting happen for that side. And before we come back, can talk more about it. Watch the video.
Yes, the governor who has attack. Nothing was happening to our governor. We still stand. We still stand. We still stand. Nothing was happening to Steve. Nothing was happening to our governor. You are shooting us. Shoot the governor. Shoot the governor. Fuck them up. Fuck them up. Shoot the governor. We start with him. We start with him. We start with him. It is there and never. The intimidation is too much. We die with him. Yes. They are changing us. Where they go from? Go stop those so they see the flag. Oh, shit. Nothing must happen to Sim. We stand with Sim Fubara. We stand with Sim Fubara. I got the governor, not at him, but the governor is Jamin. This injustice must stop. Okay. We are what I can tell you something. All the army will not go inside. All the army this injustice must stop. This injustice must stop. The one should not be. Let the one see how they activated the governor. Let the one see. Punish him. This is the people's governor.
Let's leave it back. Let's leave it back.
We are resolute. We are determined. Yes. You cannot intimidate the city governor.
Please. Decorum. Okay, I'm ready. Your Excellency, you can see the carnage these people have done here. So,
let me say the good people of Rivers State. It's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again. After about 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes.
I can never, for any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me, for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we used taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security is even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me. Directly. They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. Yes. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I want to die with you.
I want to die. When people hear Fubara, they say, who is this Fubara? Is that man that was killed one time for a struggle? That is what I want to be.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody.
yes.
But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish.
Yes.
Purely rubbish. Right. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. The first person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action for our good people of River State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Say yesterday we call out the governor of Abia State, and we told him to be very careful that these people is about to use him to be saying, hey, talk against it at home. they now will turn your people against you. Once you are a governor, you are in any, that's your any form of leader in Nigeria, and you did not come from the north, or you are not a Fulani. Once they see that you are becoming the man of the people because of their selfish interest in your state, they will look away to use your own brother to fight against you. So for you people to know that what Ndi is going through is not only Ndi is going through, it's happening because you are also an Igbo, but if people say you're not an Igbo. So that thing that Igbo people are facing, all of you that as an Igbo, they have you people, your names, your list in their book. They must do it to you people because you have become a man of the people. Until they plot their own person, just like as Imo State now, Hope Uzodinma have come aside for governor many times. He failed. Now they look for a way to plot him there. I've been growing up hearing Hope Uzodinma for contesting for election in Imo, but not winning. So this governor same must be protected. The River State youth must protect their own person they put in the power. Don't allow them to impose anybody to you people. And governor, use your power as a governor now to investigate those police that drive even that water spreading truck. Prison them. Capture all of them that plotted that, all the whole people that come that thing. Make sure say that you put, next time if they send them that error, they tell them no, the order did not come from the governor. My people, please share this video. Share this video. It's very important. Nigeria don't like anybody who is doing something good. That is why Nigeria remain where it is today. Thank you.